Here in Chicago, the furor over Chick-fil-A and the same-sex marriage debate took another turn today.
Now a local group of Republicans has filed a civil rights complaint claiming Chicago is discriminating against the company.
Republicans traveled to the Thompson Center in downtown Chicago.
Today, several Chicago Republicans filed a complaint with the Illinois Attorney General.
Chicago Republicans filed a written complaint with the Illinois Attorney General as well as the Illinois Department of Human Rights.
Local Republicans filed a civil rights complaint with the Illinois Attorney General.
Republicans point to public comments, in particular those made by Alderman Joe Moreno, threatening to withhold zoning approval for a new Chick-fil-A store, constituting intimidation, according to Chicago Republicans.
That letter from the city Republicans was received by the Illinois Attorney General's office, but she did not have any comment.
Joining me now is the vice chairman of the Chicago Republican Party. Good evening. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
We've got the Chicago GOP, and you're going to do a news conference at 10 o'clock this morning.
We're going to do it at City Hall, right outside the City Council chambers. We're taking it right to the mayor.
Members of the Chicago Republican Party say it's a form of censorship.
The First Amendment was designed to protect speech, particularly political and religious speech, particularly if it is unpopular. In the city of Chicago, if you disagree with the power structure, they will prevent you from doing business here.
The story has drawn national attention, some of it not very flattering for Chicago.
We are Chicago, a city built on gambling, corruption, murder, and ballot stuffing. Not intolerance.